This is Andy with QualityStocks.net. Today we'll be taking a look at Consorteum Holdings, Inc. It's a NASDAQ Bulletin Board stock trading under the ticker CSRH. I want to start out with this one-year chart to show that, one, CSRH hasn't even been trading for a full year, and two, it's found a base. You can see for the last 3 months, it's held above this, right in this 008 level as a bottom, and we have the MACD trending towards zero. It's an important thing to note when looking at a longer term aspect of a chart. I want to zoom into the 6-month, and a lot of these things will be reiterated. Positive divergence is when an indicator is trending up and the price per share is trending down. The MACD is a big one to look at when it comes to looking for an explosion in a stock. See the RSI also trending up. You can see a lot of the same things reflected in these lower indicators. The PPO coming off the PPO ADX pinch, trending towards zero. The ADX is down. When it's down this low, it's called what's in a trading pattern. You want to see it start to trend up and come into a trending pattern. With these indicators positioned the way that they are, there's plenty of room for this to make a move and sustain a move for a longer period of time. See the MFIs have curled. And the same thing with these other few indicators that I use. Accumulation distribution starting to turn. So that's a very nice looking hook going on right there. Hopefully we'll see that continue. Money flow hasn't spent a great deal of time over zero, but it is trending towards it. So we're hoping that's going to get back over it. CCI holding over negative 100. Trick starting to show a trend towards zero. A bit of a curl down here, but the overall trend is up. Full stow's bottomed and looking to turn again. Now what we're looking for from these candles, there's the base. 008 is the bottom. We want to see that bottom hold. Volume has stayed relatively consistent outside of when it made its moves, where it got some surges. We want to see this volume try and surge again with these shorter term moving averages, which are just now over top of the PPS. We want to see them curl underneath it, with the price per share making a slight move, taking on this middle Bollinger Band resistance of the 20-day moving average, which is at 0.1 according to this, but it's probably realistically about 0.12. And then, of course, a bigger move would make a run at this 50-day moving average. 3-month trend line will come through there, which is going to put you somewhere in the same area. That 50-day, that's one more line that we want to see it make a run at. So we'll be looking for this volume to increase, this base to hold, and a run at this trend line and these little bit longer moving averages of resistance. Classic TA will see some resistance right here at a penny, but it's not far away. I would suspect that with any volume, it'll move right through that penny. The next resistance it's really going to face is going to be more along the lines of this trend line. This is Andy with QualityStocks.net, taking a look at CSRH.